Alright, start an Excel file, grab a blank file, then open the browser, search Yahoo Finance, and type your stock name. You can either click Historical Data or click inside the Yahoo webpage and look for the Historical Data tab. Click it and select the data range. Here I'll just pick Max. That means we're grabbing everything since day one. Feel free to explore other section options. Here I'll just select daily, which means sorting our data day by day. Once you're set, go to download. Right click, copy this link, then move to Excel, look for a data tab, get data, click it, then from other sources, from web. Usually, I won't click the tab one by one. Instead, I'll use hotkeys. Alt, A, P, N, O, N, W. Wait for it to connect. If you want more control over your data, click Advanced. But now, I'll just go for the basic option. Simply copy the link we copied before, paste it here, hit OK, and it's good to go. Wait for the connection, and you should see your download stock data here. There are quite a few tweaking that you can play around. For simplicity, I'll just hit the load button to load up the stock data to Excel directly. If nothing special, you can close all these and start playing around with your data. In the coming videos, we'll further explore how to analyze stock data based on the download data in Excel. For quick questions, just drop a comment below. Members, feel free to PM me via link in inbox. That's it for today. See you next video.